Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Instagram ID user location into your Instagram. So basically you can use this system into PC Instagram and also in Instagram mobile app. It's very simple. Just follow me. Here you can see this is Cristiano's photo. So if you click on the Cristiano and if you just click on these three vertical lines, you can see, click on that. And then come over here in the about this account, and then you can see the account based in Portugal. So you can do these all other profiles and IDs. Just for showing you that, click on explore, and if you choose this photo and this ID, it's a random ID, I don't know where it's from. So if you want to know this ID location, then click on this three dot vertical line, click on about this account, and you can see this account is based on Bangladesh. So by this tip you can know how to find the user ID location. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.